Hello friends, Ashton here. So in this video, I'd like to introduce another one script custom function in Google Sheets. And this one is called one script Yahoo Finance. So it's going to help you to import some Yahoo Financial uh, newsletter, basically news to Google Sheets. And you can follow this instruction here. It's going to be easy to use. And I'd like to give you a demo here in Google Sheets. Okay, so the function name starts with OS underscore. So you can find, right now we have four custom functions. And the latest one is for this Yahoo Finance. And so here we have three parameters. And the first one, you're going to have a comma separated tickers if you want to do a search for that. And then you have a filter, and this filter, you can use a count of posts, or you can use a time, like for example, 1 day for 24 hours in the past 24 hours. You can filter that. And the last one is a Boolean value, so you can either include the headers, or if you don't want to use the headers and you want to add your own headers in the first row or something like that, anywhere, you can make it false, right? And then you can do the import. So let me show you here. For example, we're doing the news for Google and Apple. So I just enter the tickers for Google and Apple here. So for the filter, you can use, if I want to get the latest 10 or something like that, you can put a 10 here. And if you want to get the letters or posts from the last 24 hours, you can put a 1 day here. And if I don't want to include the header, just put a false here. And that's it. And then it's going to do the data search and enter the value for you. And if we don't include the header, maybe you can just name the headers. Maybe this is the title and this is the link, whatever you want to, and daytime, and this is going to be the description. So if you included them here with true, so by default, I think the value is true. And I think this is the title, link, date, the description. Yes, you can rename it by change this to false and give your own header. And I believe you can use other formulas to do, like the query formula to slice the data. I think I can just select, let me try it here. I'm not sure if it's going to work. If I just want to go to the column 1, let me try it if it's going to work. Yes. So column 1, column 2. If I just want to get the title or the link, I can do something like this. And let me just delete this one. And of course, you can use a query formula to, so basically you can combine this formula with other formulas if you want to use it. Because in this formula, we already have a filter to filter the data a little bit. But if you want to do more with your own customized formulas, I think you can combine it with other formulas. You like the filter formulas to do the filter, and the query formulas like I just showed you here to basically I just want to get a 1 column or 2 column, or just I'm interested in this title, so you can do it like this. So I think it's quite flexible in Google Sheets by combining this with other formulas. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and let me know if you found any questions or found any issues, and if you have any questions with this formula and other improvement if you want to bring to this formula and all the one script formulas in Google Sheets. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.